arbitrationagreements.org. Let's take a moment to chat about something quite significant when it comes to resolving disputes without the hustle and bustle of court proceedings: arbitration in Texas. Before we get started, please give this video a thumbs up, press the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you can stay up to date about important alternative dispute resolution topics, which can help your customers stay happy and keep costs low when problems occur at your company. You see, in recent times, many have realized the immense benefits of opting for arbitration over traditional litigation. And guess what? Statistics show that approximately 75% of commercial disputes are settled through this approach. Now, here's where it gets really interesting. We at arbitrationagreements.org take pride in being the leading association in the country when it comes to offering arbitration programs and services right here in Texas. Yes, you heard that right, the #1 destination for all your arbitration needs. And you might be wondering, why choose us? Well, to put it simply, our expertise and dedication are unparalleled. We have facilitated countless successful arbitration cases, bringing resolution to many who have sought our help. But that's not all. We are here, ready and eager to assist you in initiating arbitration proceedings, whether online or over the phone. Creating a new account or opening a case with us is a straightforward process. We are fully equipped to guide you every step of the way, making the journey smooth and hassle-free. So if you are contemplating arbitration, remember we are standing by, committed to helping you navigate this path with ease and confidence. It's our promise to you to provide an experience that is not just successful, but also deeply respectful and understanding. If you want to learn more information about our Texas arbitration services, please visit arbitrationagreements.org. That is where you can purchase what you need to start the dispute resolution process in the correct fashion to handle issues online. Our association does not provide legal advice, but many people from multiple industries use our services to navigate claims in a controlled manner through a cost-effective framework. If you're interested in doing that as a business, give us a call. In fact, big companies use arbitration because it helps them control costs. You're paying one service per case instead of having uncontrolled expenses that any normal lawsuit would cost. That's the real reason people use arbitration. Also, what do you think about arbitration? Does it seem like a strong alternative to court litigation? Drop a comment below and let us know your opinion. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can receive the latest updates about dispute resolution that can help your business succeed.